sacrifice people to them.
It's really pretty.
Ooh, look at its beard.
What did you catch?
Little catfish.
Eva wants to pet the catfish.
Pet the catfish. You can just pet it right here. I can't do anything to you.
Oh. Ooh, wait. I want to touch its beard.
Touch his beard. It's just little strings.
That's so strange.
Yeah.
It's done. Give it a kiss, Steven. No,
Is it a
we didn't get that on video.
Oh wait, you have to kiss it again.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Don't cut its beard.
I'm not cutting his beard.
Give
Good.
it a kiss. Yay!
Yay!
Goodbye, fish. Bye. Oh shit! It came for beef. You kissed it and I didn't like it.
How is it?
It's pretty warm.
It's because I peed in it.
I did have a bass bite.
You had a bass bite?
Hit it about, I don't know, a few feet in front of me.
He's majestic. Listen. Do you hear them? The zombie fish.
The zombie fish. The zombie fish are out here, guys.
You can see them, dog. Steven. There they are.
The zombie fish are gonna get you, Steven.
It's right behind you, Steven.
Yeah?
The zombie fish.
Are you scared?
No.
Fearless.
Our fearless leader.
With those
Not
four
afraid of
fish.
the zombie fish.
Pet a fish.
Fuck, that's actually a really good bass. Good shit.
All the bugs are hanging out by my flash. Let's see her. Wow!
Big ass.
Whoa!
Wait, that's a cat.
Is it the same
Wait, no. Oh, that's a fucking, no, that's a walleye. Or
A
a sauger.
walleye.
Oh, alive.
That's either a walleye or a saw guy. I can't tell. Holy fuck. Oh,
Whoa.
Fish.
dog, I didn't think they'd hit top water. Might need my pliers.
Oh! You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I just don't want to be near his teeth.
Yeah, they got some chompers on them.
I know.
Zombie fish.
It's not a zombie fish.
Zombie fish.
I got the... Ava, I don't need the pliers.
He just kicked sand in my face.
I don't need the pliers. You're good. I'm not talking to you guys.
Get those children
Goodbye.
fish. I can see it.
That's cool.
So I keep hearing things on the edge of the beach,
Of the night.
and we think it's Tiktaalik coming back. Like there might have been one that was still alive that didn't evolve, and he's coming out of the water like Megalodon. But my other theory is that Ava is Tiktaalik,
Maybe.
mother of all tetrapods. Actually, I don't know if that's correct. Steven, you're taking evolution.
Are you talking about? Oh, you're talking about the thing that came out of the water.
Is that the mother of tetrapods, or
That I feel like I think that would be the mother tetrapods.
or maybe it had a common ancestor with tetrapods?
That would have I mean, every tetrapod is a common ancestor, but
Yeah, but I was asking
Tiktaalik
if
probably.
Tiktaalik had a common ancestor with tetrapods.
it's not like I'm thinking evolution or something.
Yeah, this is coming from biologists,
And me.
evolutionary biologists.
We're not evolutionary biologists.
You're not.
You're not an evolutionary biologist. We're in the same major. You can hate me all you want.
Don't squash my dreams, man.
You can be an evolutionary biologist.
I am an evolutionary
Okay, you're an
biologist.
biologist. Sorry. Damn it, it's almost time to go.
I don't know if you can see the stars on this video, but they look really cool.
They do look cool here. The Dipper.
Where that bitch at? Oh, the Dipper.
Little D.
I think the little D is
Oh, actually, you might be able to see that Dipper.
over there.
What did you just call it?
A Dipper.
Oh, I thought you said the Dippy.
The dipshit.
The dipshit.
The dipshit constellation. I'll continue this video if the fishies do end up biting. We'll see.
Peace out.
Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so.